After now look here in this page what have some different bricks pattern have. Okay, so look it properly, then after downside some questions have. So read first question, what have which pattern is made in a circle. So look this all pattern carefully, and which pattern made in a circle? Yes, it is a what have which have J1. Look this J pattern. This is in a circle have na. So here what writing? Pattern J. Okay. This type answer you all writing in your textbook. Okay. Then after second question, in which pattern can you show mirror halves? Draw a line. Mirror halves जो हम अगर मिडल में ये पैटर्न है उसके मिडल में मिरर रखते हैं तो दोनों साइड जो इक्वल पार्ट दिखता है तो उसे कहते हैं मिरर हाल्व्स. ओके, सो इन विच पैटर्न कैन यू शो मिरर हाल्व्स? ड्रॉ अ line. Okay, so we have to draw line. So look this first A1. So here we draw a dotted line in middle. Okay, this type dotted line if we draw in the middle, then these both part are similar have same have. Yes, these both part are same have. Okay, so this is the mirror halves have. Okay, then after B1. B1 have in the middle we draw a dotted line. So these both part are equal have same have. Yes, we put a mirror this type here. Then we show these both part are similar. So this also have a mirror halves. Okay, so this A number and B1, this both mirror halves have. Then C number, if we draw here line, then both part are not equal. So this one is not a mirror halves. Okay, so you all look it carefully that in which pattern we show mirror halves. So we draw in first and second A and B. Now next in which pattern have? Yes, here in H pattern. So here also we draw a dotted line. Okay, so here in H also mirror halves have. These both part are similar have. Okay, then after this I1, here also we draw a dotted line. Okay, so these both part are similar have. We put a mirror, then we take a mirror halves. Okay, so A, B, H and I. In this all pattern we can show mirror halves. Okay, so this type you all have to draw a dotted line in your textbook. Okay, properly draw it. And then last question, now you draw some new floor patterns. Now you all have to draw some new floor pattern. आपको जैसी भी अच्छी लगती है as you like वैसी floor patterns आपको draw करनी है. Okay, so you all have to draw different new patterns. It is your homework. Okay, so you all have to draw. Okay. morning, students. How are you all? Fine, na? Okay. So, in last lecture, what we learned? Huh? Yes, we seen a story of a Jagrati school in Murshidabad. So this school was being made. Then there was a plan to make a different floor patterns, different brick patterns on floor and on walls. Okay, so जागृति स्कूल के बारे में और जागृति स्कूल में वो उनका प्लान क्या था, ब्रिक सम डिफरेंट ब्रिक्स पैटर्न इन द स्कूल वॉल एंड walls and floor. Okay, then after three masons that for have that they are make some brick patterns. Okay, so they want a new idea for brick pattern. So they took their friends to the old tomb of मुर्शिद कुली खान. वो मुर्शिद कुली खान की जो टॉम है वहाँ पे वो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ जाते हैं, मेसॉन्स. Then after there what have one building have, that building in picture in your textbook have. So in that building what have some different beautiful floor patterns, brick patterns, that about 2000 different bricks pattern have. Okay, so they looked at all different pattern. Then after they came back and what said, they said let us we make that here in school we make different beautiful floor patterns. Okay, then after they made different beautiful designs, patterns on the floor of the school. Then school proud to them that they made beautiful design. Okay, then after the children played and play and sing on the floor. This bricks pattern floor have that children play and sing, and they also make new patterns or they also make new different patterns themselves. Children से वो वहाँ पे फ्लोर के ऊपर खेलते हैं, सिंग गाते हैं. Then they also make different patterns themselves. वो अपने आप different patterns भी बनाते हैं. Okay. So this all we learned in the last lecture. Okay. Then after some you look at some different patterns picture given, then which pattern you like the most, that type of questions answer we written. Okay, so now after this today next what have how to draw a brick कैसे हम draw कर सकते हैं. Okay, so here two picture have, this both are the same brick photo have. This photo in your textbook photo have, I am drawing here only. Okay, so this type of two bricks photo in your textbook have two photo have, but these two photo are same brick. एक ही brick के two different photos दिए. Okay, so in one photo we can see only one face of the brick. In the other we can see three faces of the brick. Okay, so two photos given, same brick have, but in one photo what have the bricks only one face we can see in one photo, and other photo we can see three faces of the brick. Okay, that two photos in your textbook have. Okay, so now what you have to do, सर्कल द फोटो शोइंग थ्री फेसेस. तो जिसमें थ्री फेसेस दिखते हैं वो फोटो के अंदर क्या बनाना है आपको, सर्कल. ओके, सो आई एम डूइंग हियर. लुक, दिस इज द ब्रिक पिक्चर हैव, दिस आल्सो ब्रिक है. ओके, so how we can see the which are the faces of the brick. So the flat part that we can सी जो फ्लैट पार्ट है हम देख सकते हैं उसे क्या कहते हैं, फेसिस. ओके, सो हियर दिस इन दिस ब्रिक this one is the faces, face, then this one and this one. Okay, so in this picture how many faces we can see? 1, 2 and 3 faces. So in one photo 3 faces we can see. Now this photo see picture. So in this picture how many faces have? Yes, only one face have. Okay, so which picture have 3 faces? So circle the photo that in your textbook. Here also question have, circle the photo showing 3 faces. In your textbook 2 photos have, so you have to do circle that seeing showing 3 faces. So this one or this one, which photo have 3 faces? Which have? Yes, it's easy. This one. In this, how many faces have? 3 faces. So we doing circle here. Okay. You all have to do circle in your textbook. Okay. Then after here next question have, how many faces in all does a brick have? So a brick have how many faces? That we have to write. In this first picture we can see 3 faces of the brick, but other 3 faces we can't see. Okay, because in picture we can't see. If we look the brick in real, then we can see total 6 faces. How many faces? 6 faces of the brick. So how many faces in all does have a brick? तो bricks में कितने faces होते हैं? जैसे हम यहाँ पे 1, 2 and 3. Then here one have that this side also one face have. Then here have that type. Downside also have one face, and this one have that back side also one face have. Okay, so in bricks how many total faces have? Yes, total 6 faces. So here what we writing? 6 faces. Okay, so you all can look 6 faces in a brick. Okay, then after here what have next question? Is any face a square? So any face a square? In square shape have any face? Look this brick have any square? No, not any face a square not have. All faces are in a rectangular shape have. Square not have. So here writing no. Okay, so any is any face a square? So answer is no. Then now last one have, draw the smallest face of the brick. जो smallest face हमें दिखता है brick का वो हमें draw करना है. Okay, so I am drawing here this type of smallest face in bricks have. Okay. So this type brick we can see, then this side and this side, these two are smallest faces have in the brick. So we can draw this type small face of the brick. Okay. So in bricks, what have? How many faces have? Yes, total 6 faces have in the bricks. But in picture we can see only 3 faces. Okay, and any face a square have? So answer is no. All faces are in a rectangular shape have. Okay, and here we have to draw this type of small faces picture. Okay, so this type brick picture you all have to draw in your maths notebook. Okay, math magic I said that 2 notebook made. Okay, so in math magic notebook writing chapter 1, then in last lecture we done that questions and answer writing. Then after this type of two bricks, draw after this 1, 2 and 3. These 3 question writing and these 3 answer. Here 6 faces, here no, and then draw the smallest face of the brick. Okay. So this type all you done in your maths notebook. Okay, properly do it. I want complete notebook. Okay. Now after next one, what else? Look here first. Read this instruction. Which of these are the faces of a brick? Mark a tick. Okay. So here different faces given, and we have to mark that face, that brick face, faces of a brick. So brick faces we have to tick mark. Okay. So first this one. It is the brick face have this type of. No, it is not have. Then second, this one, this type face have brick. No, it also not have. Then this one, this have face of the brick. You learn that which is the faces of the bricks in last we learn it that, and we also draw the brick picture, and we look at which are the faces of the brick. Okay, so this one is the face of the brick have. Yes, it is have. So here tick mark. Okay. Then this one have. No, it's not have because it is a square shape have. And in brick faces, which type have? It is in a rectangular shape. All faces are in a rectangular shape. So this is the square face have. So it not have. Then this one have. This oval shape. This type brick have. No. Then triangle. No. Triangle bricks have. No. Then this one. This type have. Yes, it is also a brick face have. So it is here. Okay, so 1 and 2. These two are the faces of the brick. Okay. Then after next question, look. Which of this is a drawing of a brick? Which of this is a drawing of a brick? Look here, some 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 drawing have, and we have to find that which drawing is the bricks drawing have. Drawing of a brick have. Okay, so look first one. This have brick. No. This one have. No, it also not have. This one. It is a square shape have. No, it also not have. This one. No, this one also not have. Now look this last. This is the drawing of a brick have. Yes, it is this one only drawing of a brick have. So we tick this. Okay. So these two exercise have that you all have to draw these all bricks pattern. This all draw faces. First picture, then this second. This all shapes you all have to draw in your maths notebook. Okay. Then after you tick it. Okay. Instruction write. After draw this. Then after this instruction write. And after draw this all picture. Okay. And then after doing tick mark. Okay. So you all have to complete it. Now after look next question, what else? Make a drawing of this box to show 3 of its faces. So in your textbook, one compass box picture given. Okay, so we have to draw uh, drawing of this box to show three of its faces. उसके three faces दिखते हैं, वैसे हमें उसकी drawing बनानी. Compass box. Okay, so I am drawing here. We make that bricks faces. That type we also make the faces of compass box. Okay, so which type we make? Okay, this type we make the faces, three faces. Which three faces have? 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so these three faces are the faces of compass box. So this type we have to draw the faces of compass box. Okay. Then after next question, what have? Can you make a drawing of a brick which shows four of its faces? Can you make a drawing that four faces? Huh? Can you make a drawing which show four faces of brick? Make? Yes or no? Huh? No, we can't make this type drawing. That show four faces of brick. We can make a drawing of only three faces of a brick. We can't make four faces of a brick. Okay, so here answer what? No, we can't make. Okay, so these two question and its answer. You all have to write in your maths notebook. Okay, first question writing, after this draw, then this question writing and its